White Dolphin by Gil Lewis, Chapter 21. Well, we are going to see what happened in chapter number 21. We will be looking into the main points and summary of chapter number 21. At the end of chapter 20, we saw that Daisy suggested Kara that she should go to Miss Penluna and ask her for help to look for Kara's mum. And as Kara believes that if mum had been there, she would have found a solution to look for Mother Dolphin. Since they were looking for Mother Dolphin, they were unable to find Mother Dolphin. Calf Dolphin was alone. Since Carol has suggested that Mother Dolphin should be around and no one was able to find out Mother Dolphin, so Daisy suggested that she should go to Miss Penluna to ask for Kara's mother. So if they will be able to find out where Kara's mother is, she will be able to find out Mother Dolphin. So in the beginning of chapter number 21, we see Kara holding the only thing she had of her mother in her hand, a dolphin-shaped memory stick, and running towards Miss Penluna's house, whom Kara believes can talk to angels and give Kara information about her mother. In the novel, they have used the word memory sticks, which means USB, which we are using these days. So Kara had the only thing, a USB that belonged to her mother. She takes that and she runs towards Miss Penluna's home in order to know what is inside the memory stick. Aunt Babe had given money to Kara and Daisy to buy fish and chips for supper, and Aunt Babe expected that Kara and Daisy will get back home within an hour. Kara uses this half an hour to go to Miss Penluna as she wanted to know where her mother was, as she knew that Miss Penluna could talk to angels. Kara leaves Daisy in a queue and leads towards Miss Penluna's home. Kara stops in front of Miss Penluna's cottage. There were a number of cottages in a line, but no one lived there except Miss Penluna. With banging heart, Kara knocks at the door. Miss Penluna does not let Kara in, as she presumes that Kara has come from Council to take Jackdaw away. Jackdaws were the birds like this I have shown in the picture. They almost look like normal crows, which we have. So she was feeding jackdaws, and it was illegal to keep jackdaws at home. So Miss Penluna was scared that maybe council members have come over to take jackdaw away, which she did not to give away to council members. So that's why she did not let even Kara enter the home. On Kara's request, Miss Penluna lets Kara in. Kara asks her if she really can talk to angels. Kara shows her the memory stick and tells her, "This is the only thing I have of mother." Miss Penluna asks her, "What was that?" And Kara tells her it was a memory stick. Here Kara realizes that Miss Penluna even had not seen a memory stick or USB before that. Upon which Miss Penluna asks, "Whose memory is this?" Here Kara realizes that maybe Miss Penluna had never seen a computer and a memory stick before. Miss Penluna asks Kara what she wants to know. Kara tells her that she wants to know what happened the night Mom disappeared. Miss Penluna tells Kara that she should listen to the dolphins as they are angels of the sea. Kara feels cheated and disappointed as she thinks that she expected that Miss Penluna would talk to angels and will give her some answer about her mother, but she gives her a strange answer. She says that jackdaws are angels, and then she says that dolphins are angels. Here, Kara feels very disappointed and she thinks that it was useless going to Miss Penluna to ask for her mother.